you're someone who has never tried online selling before, but you may have a thought that you want to start anytime soon, probably because you are in the middle of this pandemic and you think you want to find a side hustle and you don't know what's the secret behind making your first sale, and so that this video is for you. Many people have this misconception that selling online you probably need a perfectly curated caption, a really good visual and very nice persuasive message. But before all this, there's one element that is very important in selling online, and the secret of it is trust. Trust issue is a very important element in online selling because people need to know you, like you, and trust you before they can fork out money to buy something from you. If they don't know you, like you, and trust you, they're probably scared that they are being scammed by you. That is why this is a very important secret that if you want to make your first sale online, you must tackle on this trust issue. Now that you already know that trust is an important element in making your first sale online, the next thing you want to know is the fastest way to get your trust is through social media. In social media, people who are already following you are people who has already know you, like you, and trust you. And therefore, if you are selling anything online, chances are those people that already know you, like you, and trust you, they'll come and buy from you because they trust you and they trust that you can provide this kind of services or product that they wanted, and they are not scared by being scammed by you. First type of source that you can leverage is you leverage on other people's network or other people's source that is within your niche. For example, if you want to sell a beauty product and you probably want to find someone who has a key opinion leader within the beauty product industry, and when they recommend you or they endorse you, people that trust them will trust you as well, and therefore that is where you gain more trust from people within that niche. Second source that you can leverage on is, which is one of my favorite source here, is you can use a platform or an e-commerce site to build the trust to you. Let me put it this way. If you're a seller selling in an e-commerce site, for example like Shopee, if a buyer buys from you and they probably don't even trust you initially, but they trust Shopee because they know that Shopee has this buyer protection policy. If there's anything happen to their parcel along the way, they could probably request for a refund, and therefore with the trust on this Shopee, and eventually they'll be trusting you as well. But the tip here is not every e-commerce site is suitable for every kind of product. Although you can see a lot of general products can be found in Lazada and Shopee, but if you are selling things like a property or a car, you probably want to go for other websites such as muda.my or Property Guru to sell your products, because this kind of products doesn't do well in Shopee or Lazada. That's why it's very important for you to find the right place to market your product as well. And lastly, trust comes from professionalism. This might not be an easy thing to do for someone who has just started or a beginner, but eventually you need to slowly move your things to more professional way. For example, like having a good and clean website, or for example, like having perfect curated captions and good visuals for your product. As you present yourself in a more professional way, chances are they'll portray you as an expert in this kind of field, and this is important for you to help you to build trust to yourself and to your shop as well. And that's all from me for today. So if you like my content, please remember to like and share this video, and let me know your comments in the comment section below of what do you like to hear from me more in the future. Until then, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much and see you then.